Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update self-directed IRA investing with equity trust, full guide step by step clearly. To update your self-directed IRA investing with equity trust, start by logging into your equity trust account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account details. Review your account balance and existing investments to assess your current portfolio. Gather all necessary documents related to your current investments. Ensure you have updated information on any assets you plan to sell or acquire. Next, visit the Investment Options section on your equity trust account. Familiarize yourself with the different asset classes available, such as real estate, precious metals, and private placement. Select the asset class that aligns best with your investment goals. If you're looking to sell an existing asset, locate the Sell option on your investment summary page. Fill out the necessary forms to initiate the sale of your asset. Keep in mind any fees or penalties associated with selling your investment. Once submitted, monitor your account for updates on the transaction status. If you plan to purchase a new asset, click on the Purchase option in the Investments section. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase form, providing details about the asset. Ensure that you have adequate funds in your IRA to cover the purchase. Review your transaction for accuracy before submitting. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your purchase. Next, consider reviewing your investment strategy and making any necessary adjustments. Determine if you need to diversify your portfolio further or focus on specific asset classes. Keep track of industry news and trends that may impact your investments. Regularly check your equity trust account for updates and new investment opportunities. Engage with available resources such as webinars or guides provided by Equity Trust. Stay informed about any regulatory changes that may affect self-directed IRAs. Finally, schedule periodic reviews of your investment strategy to ensure alignment with your goals. Updating your self-directed IRA with Equity Trust is a straightforward process that can help optimize your investment potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.